If you want to chat on WhatsApp without coming online or without online status, so let me give you an example. I have opened WhatsApp on my laptop and on my mobile, and here I am sending message from WhatsApp web, and I have seen message on my mobile and there are no blue ticks. Gray ticks are showing, and here at the top there is no online status. It is showing my last seen. And after replying from the mobile, the gray ticks turned into blue and still there is no online status. It is showing my last seen. So if you want to know this cool trick, be with me till end of the video. And if you want cool tricks like this and so many awesome videos regularly, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video. And guys, let's get started.